Passive income is a fantastic way to supplement your earnings without constant active effort. Whether you're starting with little capital or have no money to invest upfront, there are various avenues to explore. Let's delve into some passive income ideas that can help you build wealth in the background. 1. Start a dropshipping store. In dropshipping, you create an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. The good thing is that you don't physically handle inventory. Instead, suppliers ship directly to customers. You can get good suppliers from Alibaba, and they will send the products directly to your customers. If you have no idea on how to start your dropshipping store, check the links on description below. 2. Create a print-on-demand store. Design custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases and sell them online. Print-on-demand services handle production and shipping. You can create your own designs using an AI tools. 3. Sell digital products. Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, or software can all be sold digitally. Once created, they generate income without ongoing effort, and you can start making money even while sleeping. 4. Teach online courses. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make this accessible. Also, if you are a content creator, you can sell your online courses on your social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also on YouTube. 5. Become a blogger. Start a blog on a topic you're passionate about. Over time, it can attract readers and generate ad revenue or affiliate income. 6. Sell handmade goods. If you're crafty, consider selling handmade items on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify. 7. Run an affiliate marketing business. Promote products or services through affiliate links. When someone makes a purchase, you earn a commission. 8. Sell stock photos online. If you're a photographer, submit your high-quality images to stock photo websites. 9. Become a social media influencer. This is the best way to earn extra cash, especially if you have a big number of followers on your social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. You can turn your followers to your customers by convincing them to shop from sponsored links, and you earn some commission. Brands may pay you for sponsored posts. 10. Buy a rental property. While it requires an upfront investment, owning real estate can provide consistent rental income over time. If you like this type of videos, make sure you hit subscribe button to subscribe.